Good morning. Let's go, man. Happy Tuesday. Come on. Get it, baby. Give me 1 second. Now we're talking. Good morning. How we feeling this morning? We ready for this? Come on. What's up, Ohio? Good morning, man. How we feeling this morning? All right, currently on gold, the daily is pushing up. Made a really big bottom wick and pushed up. Let's see here. Feels like another green day. Yeah, it does. Come on. 4 hour pushing up now with no bottom wick. Previous did the same, but it also closed like that as well. We're at kind of a small 1 hour zone. So, I mean, I'm going to wait 6-7 minutes here. Don't even say it. Don't even say 6-7. I'm going to wait 6 minutes here. See how this current 30-minute closes. Because we do have a resistance here. So this is what we're looking at. $15. Yeah, you got to wait for the 30. Got to wait for the 30. Gotta wait for it, man. 1 hour, 30 minute. Okay. That's kind of what we're looking at on gold. Dude, you know what sucks is I said that like 40 seconds ago. I said that so long ago. It's like way behind. I don't know what to do. YouTube Studio. So partly your fault. Yeah, we'll take that. Yeah, I think there's some things I can do, but I don't know. Extra stream delay, buffer. I don't have the stream delay on, obviously. Yeah, stream delay is not on. Video output. Yeah, I know. Crazy. Ugh. Bro, that was like that Germany game. Can't believe the Dutch lost, man. Can't believe they lost it. Okay, so I have to go to like YouTube Studio? No way, right? Let's see here. YouTube Studio? I forget what it said. So I can change like the latency or something. The stream options or latency? Let's see. Stream settings. Where's that at? I don't know where that's at. Thing's bugging. Alright, hold up. Edits. Oh, I can like see the stream on here. Stream settings. Okay. Select ultra low latency. Where's that at? Oh, I can't. I'd have to change it. It won't let me change it right now. While I'm live. Yeah, money bags. That sucks. I can't do it. I think it wants me to start the stream from YouTube Studio, unfortunately, but I'm like starting it from OBS. Alright, so I can't even change any of this. Interesting. Well, we got what we got for now. For now. But that's not good. I don't want a 30-second delay, man. That's too far. That's way too far. Maybe I can do it from my phone. All right, we did get a closure above. It just looks a little, maybe a little overextended for me though. But you know, I could see this 4 hour. Yeah, apparently I can't now. That's a bummer. It's like a huge delay. Whatever. I actually don't mind this. I could see this 4 hour coming up, re-breaking that, and like tapping into this zone. So if we wanted to just play that. I actually don't mind this. All right, it's about 20 seconds now. I don't know. About 20 seconds. Yeah, I don't hate this. We're just have a lower risk. I mean, I'm not going to keep the stops like super high. I mean, super low. Just like the World Cup stream. That's what I'm saying. Why? Why is it doing this to me? I don't know why it's messing with me. So we did get a closure above. Sorry, I had to move it from the GC chart. We did get a closure above. It's a little overextended here. But what I'm thinking is I'm looking for price to come up into this level here. Somewhere around there. Even the 4 hour running with like hardly any bottom wick, I could still see this pushing up into here to make a deeper top wick. But we'll see. We'll see. Any good games today? I think so. Yeah. So you got the Ivory Coast and Norway at noon. You've got France and Sweden at 4. And then you've got Mexico, Ecuador at 8 tonight. Yeah. Erling Haaland plays at noon. You got Mbappe at 4. Both are in contention for the Golden Boot race. Golden Boot race. I don't know how to change all this stuff. However, in 5K. Oh, this doesn't really do. Never mind. Doesn't really do much. So again, we technically did get a closure, but a little overextended. Well, let me get my epic pen. So we could maybe wait for like the highlighter, like a highlighter. Let's say we get this. I really need a better system. Let's say we get that. Maybe we get something like this back above. So we get one closure below. That's a 30-minute, but and then we get in buys. Come back up. Possibly. See what we get here. Or I don't know. I wouldn't mind taking maybe sells as well. I don't hate it. Because like I said, this 4 hour doesn't have much of a bottom wick. Doesn't have much. Obviously that doesn't matter sometimes, because these 4 hours just tend to have a mind of their own these days. But so yeah, I don't even know if I mind like sells. It would have to close like pretty, like right there. Man, I can't believe Germany and the and the Netherlands both out. Both of them, man. Oh man, excuse me. Excuse me. We'll see. Today's the wife's birthday? Dude, happy birthday to your wife. Tell her happy birthday from the JDZ family over here. That's awesome. What you guys gonna do? Goldie coming down. Ah, I gotcha. Nice. Man, of course you have some sort of sport going on. You don't ever get a break, man. Just sports all the time. And you can't even play. You gotta watch it. Nice. Sure she'll like that. Heck yeah. It's 17 people? Dang. Holy cow. Does that mean you have to sub in and out all the time? I'd be like, listen, Carl, you know I'm better than you, so just sit on the bench, huh? Alright? Let daddy do his thing out here. You've seen my 8th grade, crazy move that I had, right? I'll send you the video, Carl. Half court, 4-on-4. Ah. Alright, there's like roughly no news today. Roughly. There is a few things. A couple things. They're just orange folders though. Just a couple of orange folders at 9 a.m. Other than that, it's just all yellow folders. Nothing crazy, man. Oh, yeah, I bet. Alright. Boom. All right, we got about 30 seconds or so for a 15-minute closure here at 7:15. So, I mean, I like a closure up here. Like if it doesn't go too far down this range here, I might like this to come back down. I don't mind it. We got on NQ. NQ just kind of rolling down, huh? And it closed with no bottom wick. I am not interested now, unfortunately. Not interested. So now what we need to wait for is maybe a closure back above. But, or if the 30-minute, we're gonna have to wait either way for the 30-minute. The 30-minute can close bearish and leave a little bit of a wick there. Then I might be in the sells down. But just because it doesn't have a bottom wick hardly on the 4-hour. Otherwise, it's coming back up here. Oh. We'll see. Wait 30 minutes. Or not 30 minutes. Wait 15. Wait another 15. So I made $2 grand on my XFA last night. Made two G's on the XFA that I got. That trade was just kind of an impulse trade, honestly. So the 4 hour, I actually didn't trust the closure below on the 4 hour. So you got that closure below, but in my mind, I was like, if this thing wants to come back, and fake everybody out, this is going to be the spot to do it, right? So I took this 15-minute just up into this zone here. I took this. Took that bounce right back up into here. So, and we were right too. We could have held it. If we would have held this sucker, we'd be up loads right now. But, you know, that wasn't the plan. Probably wasn't smart either. And also, like, I just don't like going to bed while things are open. Like, I don't know how those people set and forget and do it. You know, maybe one day I'll do that. But, you know, if I did, I'd be up loads. Absolute load. So, but it was a good trade. Just kind of one of those feelings. Didn't have a lot of data to go off to the left, unfortunately, because you were looking at like this. And in my mind, I was thinking, if it wants to close back above like this is the time to do it. It's gonna shake everybody out. It's gonna make this bottom wick, and then it's gonna come back. So that was my thought process there, and it was a really good trade. So we'll take it. We will take it. Yep, but that ended up being a good trade and earned us 2,000 on the XFA, and I locked myself out for today. So that's a first green day on that XFA. So it's a good start. Good start. I like this song. I don't like it. Come on. See where Goldie ends up in about 10 minutes here. And no news coming out at 7:30. So, nothing. Nothing. We do have NQ coming down as well. Got NQ coming down. And Qski. Coming down, man. But it's the last day of the month today, so don't do anything crazy, man. Nothing crazy. I have to find a new playlist. Something's jacked up with it. All right. Got about 7 minutes still. Well, if it closes there, that's a little too far down in the range for me. A little too far. I could see a huge fake out coming though, for sure. If yeah, I could see a fake out. Look at that 15-minute boom, boom, boom. So if we get a closure below here, I don't know. I think it could come back up. Honestly, I think it could. Five minutes. I might even be willing to take like impulse if we get a closure like down in here. Might even be willing to take like an impulse back up. 4 hour breaking the lows. 1 hour still coming down. 30-minute. Yeah, we'll see. See what we got here. NQ is tanking as well. Dang. All right, we got about a minute and a half for this 30-minute closure. 'See what we got here, huh? Got about 30 seconds. Ten seconds here. This 30-minute. And it's closing really close to the bottom here of the range. Really close to the bottom. I don't think anything for me at the moment. We'll have to wait another 15. Nothing. Four-hour looks crazy. Or that's the daily, never mind. 4 hour coming down. 4 hour coming down here. See what we got on this 15-minute. Nothing, man. I really wanted to see a closure kind of below so I could take those 15 minutes back up, but looks like I'm going to miss that. It's kind of what we were looking for. I just didn't get the closure I wanted for like the fake out. Didn't get it, but we were right so far. Song's bumming me out, man. Yeah, there's a lot of them that won't play. I don't know why. All right, it's coming back down. Maybe we'll get our closure after all. We might, man. We might. Come on. Man, the market's been kind of boring this week, huh? Am I crazy? I mean, when did this move happen? 1:15 this in the AM? Whoops. Even that one, you didn't get a closure, man. That would have... So you're not getting the closures. Kind of like this one. That's the one we wanted there. We just didn't get the closure. Goldie hasn't been giving us the closures we wanted, man. All right, we're still waiting about 9 minutes to see how this plays out. Oh, snap. Come on, baby. All right. Boom. My bad. I was looking at something. Oh, man. What an eventful day here on gold, you know? Come on. We'll lock in. How's NQ? Okay, so NQ actually kind of doing what I talked about. Little closure below on the 15. Maybe get a closure back above on the 15. Maybe. Also, the 30 closed with no bottom wick. That's interesting. Four-hour made a bottom wick. Might have to wait for, well, definitely have to wait for 15-minute on that, but that doesn't look bad if we get a closure back above on this 15. Go back up. See how it shakes out here in about 3.5 minutes. Should we check out lean hogs? Lean hog market. Well, that's not bad. Hold the phone. How's oil? Been down at the moment. I don't really trade oil. I think I might have traded oil once when I was feeling like a degenerate. Nah, nothing yet. Nothing yet. We're kind of just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close here in about 2 minutes. We'll go from there. I'm kind of looking at NQ. So NQ did exactly what I was talking about that I wanted gold to do. It closed below with like a little to no wick on this 15-minute. And then for this to come back up and close above the range again for buys up. Doesn't look that bad. Does not look bad. So I'm kind of watching that as well. The 4-hour made a bottom wick. It even broke the previous 4-hour low. Rejecting. Yeah. Yeah, you did. I might be more interested in NQ on this closure. Depends. Depends on how we get the closure here. The market's just been kind of boring. Kind of boring, man. All right, we got about 10 seconds here. Yeah, kind of weak, in my opinion. What do we got here? I closed right at that range. You know, if that breaks the high, if that comes up and breaks this high, might be in on these sells, man. But I don't know that I actually want to be. I think I want to wait for a 30-minute. Because that's still open, and this could definitely close back above the range. Definitely. Definitely. On my description? What description? I don't even know if I can change it at the moment. I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Maybe. Yeah, that's why I'm going to leave it there just for you. I'm going to leave it there for you. Yeah, we're going to leave it there just for you, buddy. Yeah. Nothing, man. See what the 30-minute wants to do. In about 12 minutes. This guy. Yeah, it's fixed. She's like saying yay. That's funny. Little baby saying yay. You know what Max's baby's gonna say? What the frick? He's gonna come out the womb saying that. All right, wait about 9 minutes. See what happens here on the. We'll get a 30-minute closure and a 1-hour closure. I'll be right back. birds back, huh? Dang. Better stop that thing. What is this? Wait. You should post that somewhere. Have you posted that? That's hilarious. Yeah, you should definitely post that somewhere. Oh, that's hilarious. I think people would love that. That's so funny. Oh, it's a trend already? Yeah, I don't have social media. I don't have all that. That's funny. Oh, man. What a cute little dinosaur. And market's just not that exciting at the moment, man. Says the guy on YouTube. I'm saying I don't have TikTok. I don't have all the little videos like that. I ain't got it. I don't have Facebook. I don't have TikTok. Ticky tacky. Whatever the kids are calling it these days. Tic tac. Hey, you should search live day trading on YouTube. Tell me where I'm at. Actually, it might pop me up anyways for you. All right, tell her happy birthday. All right. Well, just pushing down in here. Pushing down into the zone, man. It's just a matter of if I trust that it's actually going to go down or not. I don't know that it is. I kind of want to have a limit buy here, but I also want to wait the 3 minutes that we have left or 2 minutes that we have left for a closure. Just want that closure, man. We needs it. But I mean, 4 hour pushing down. 1 hour, it'll be a new 1 hour. I don't know, that's not bad. We'll see, man. Two minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I need a better live thumbnail though. I need a better thumbnail. All right, we got about a minute. Thirty seconds. $20. All right, we got about 5 seconds on this. Pushing up pretty nicely, actually. Happened so fast, though. Happened real fast. It is a 4-hour low down there. You know, I'm really fighting the urge to maybe take a sell up here. Like set limits, limit order up there. Come back down, but I don't know if I trust that either. Man. I think what I'd like now is a closure back above. Closure back above, and then we take buys. Take buys back up. So maybe we get this closure here. I don't need it to go super far though. So if it goes too far, that's going to be kind of annoying. Maybe a closure here. And then we take some buys, you know what I mean? Target like up there somewhere. Something like that. Because we got to fake out outside of the range here. If it closes back in the range, I think it looks good. But yeah, I don't know. Could also be one of those things where you have, what color do I have here? Could be one of those things, this closes back in the range, you know, like this. My gosh, that might be the worst candle I've ever drawn in my life. And then you get something like this. Something like that. And then you take sells. Something, you know. Holy candle. That's not bad. Might be my best work yet. But I guess for me, hold on, let me grab the pointer thing again. I guess for me, I'm just not super convinced that this is going back down. But we'll see what the chart tells us, man. We'll see what the chart tells us. I need a new thumbnail on YouTube. I gotta make a new live thumbnail. All right, what's NQ doing? NQ, kind of the same thing. Yeah. See, like, look at these types of fake outs here. So you got a clean closure below to go down. It barely breaks the previous low. Previous candle low, barely. So people get activated. And it shoots back up. Comes back down and then stops them all out again. Crazy. Crazy, man. All right, so we did get the bounce. Unfortunately, we weren't in it because we didn't get the wick that I wanted. Otherwise, we would be in this. No lie. That's exactly what I said before. We got the closure below for fake out up. But it happened so fast and I didn't get, I wanted it to break the low and it didn't. So it did not. I need some new music. But I'm trying to do like the no copyright stuff. Ohio's welcome back. Happy birthday again to your wife. I needed a new thumbnail for my live streams. Right now it's just my logo. I need like a cool one. If you look up, is it gonna be skewed because you subscribed to me already? If you look up like live day trading on YouTube, like is it automatically gonna pop me up because you're subscribed? Or can you see like where I'm at on the list? Wait, who's at 5 or 6 wins in a row? Go incognito. Dang. See, man, this is exactly what I was talking about. We got the closure below, which a lot of people think, oh, I'm in there for sells because we got clean range down. But you've got these 15-minute zones here. The only problem is we just didn't, I wanted it to break the low, and then I would have been in this. But I also didn't want it to clear the whole range back up either. So there you have it. Did not want it to clear the whole range. Okay. It's all good. All good. I didn't think you would. I was just curious. Because on mine, it's a little skewed, obviously, because like I show up right away. And some other people that I've seen. All good. I figured. All right, we got about 3 minutes for a 15-minute closure. Oops. So you just have to see if you get a closure back above or not. Yeah, Goldie ran without us, man. Rolling. It's clearing the whole range now. Clearing the whole thing, man. Yeah, I don't know how to do all that. I don't know how to make that happen. You know? I don't know, man. I think you have to like build a reputation with YouTube or something. I don't really know. I don't know, man. You think I would pop up, though? All right, we got about 20 seconds here. 15-minute closure. Looks like we're not going to get the closure on NQ as well. It did not come back up. However, this did. This did close above this range. That's actually not bad. I don't know. The 30-minute without that bottom wick kind of trips me out a bit, but not bad. Think. Yeah, I mean, this could go for sure. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to change that. Yeah, I actually don't mind this trade, but I don't know if it's really one I want to take. Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's best we stay out. At the moment. NQ did not give us the closure we were looking for as well. Unfortunately. Still kind of trolling in here. Honestly, this one I need it to come back above that, probably. It would have to close above that on the 30-minute. All right, I'll be back. Give me a second. Anything good happen? People are spamming hearts, though. I appreciate that. Classic. All right, so in queue. Yeah, I mean, either way, we're waiting for 8:30 here. The volume. Man, really wanted to be in that, but really wanted to be in it. It wasn't me. Yeah, I mean, we could have taken this buy. It closed back above the range I was looking for, but yeah, I just didn't like it. Didn't like it. What's today? Tuesday? Tuesday. It's Tuesday, ain't it? Come on. Yo, what's up, Sia? How we doing today, Sia? Good to see you. Man, some crazy World Cup games, Sia. Crazy games, man. So what do we got? We got Germany and the Netherlands both gone. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Goldie. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, so this was a 15-minute. I don't know. I might be watching that, honestly. That closes above. The game lasted too long. Yeah, it was pretty long, man. What, Germany went to penalty kicks? Also the Netherlands? Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy. All right, let's see. Nah, I think... Yeah, I think we're going to leave it. We got about a minute 15. I'm trying to think if there's any way that I want to get involved here with the volume. Yeah, I mean, I think realistically this would be the only spot there for me. But NQ. This might be interesting if you get a closure above that. Or below for sells, I guess. Yeah, it wicked right into that. The only problem is the volume. But that would be a sell. Normally I would hop in right here. But you know how it likes to play around, likes to do something crazy. I mean, it could still do exactly what I said, but how'd the 15 close? Man, just didn't get my closure for NQ, man. That's the problem. I'm just not getting the closures I need. I just wanted to see it close back above, but it did not. One hour ripping now. 30-minute ripping. No closure for me. This one we did. If we do go by that 15-minute. The problem is the 1 hour's open with no bottom wick. No bottom wick. Oh man. Oh, we're doing good. See ya. How you doing? You lost a trade in Asian session. Dang, bro. It's all good. There's more trades. More trades. So I actually took a banger trade yesterday. I took, so I got 2K on my Express, on my XFA yesterday. I took this here, kind of like a limit buy down here like this. If I would have held it, I'd be mucho up. But I had a specific target in mind, that 4 hour, just in case it wanted to reject below. So I just anticipated a fake out, honestly. It was more of a read from me, like impulse, just because I've seen it so many times. Like, you had this super strong range here, and then you got a 4 hour closure below. But if price wanted to fake out, this was the time to do it, to make that wick, shake everybody out, and come back up. I've seen it 1,000 times. So I just anticipated a fake out, basically. But I also knew I only wanted to be in it for a bounce in case I was wrong. So generally you'll get the first candle that's a bounce, and then, you know, get a little bit of retracement. Like this one would have worked out if I would have just held it the whole time, but I just wanted the bounce back up to test that area. Because if it was going to reject, it was going to reject off of this when it came back up. So Just kind of a feeling also. And just I've seen it a lot. But yes, sir. To be honest, I broke my plan a bit. That's the reason I lost. Yeah, man. It happens. It happens, bro. The goal is just to break the plan less and less. Because we're never going to be perfect. I still break the plan, man. That's the whole reason I started this channel, so we could break the plan less and hold each other accountable. Me included. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to limit buy down here. Like down there. Yeah, it's just, I mean, don't get me wrong, I could still definitely break the plan live trading, but it's a lot harder, man. I just want to be accountable to it. I just want to be a better trader and help others. I might miss out on some of the trades that you know, I used to take that were good, but holy NQ. NQ's got to have a mind of its own, man. Crazy. Dang. Okay, well. Look at that. All right, realistically, what are we looking at here? I mean, daily doesn't have a crazy top wick. I mean, bottom wick. Not bad. 4 hour. This 4 hour did close above that zone. Wonder how the 1 hour is going to end up. I mean, you guys know how NQ is, man. This could go all the way up here and come all the way back down here in one candle. So, trade at your own risk. But yeah, I just want to break the plan less and less, man. That's the goal. Less and less. But we'll see how this 15-minute closes. If this closes above, I don't know. We'll have to see if there's anything in there for me. If it wants to go up. If it does, I'll be right back. So what kind of trade did you take, Sia? That you broke your plan? Was it just like an impulse trade? Oh, well, 15-minute might want to go without us. Might want to go without us, man. Might be rolling without us. I mean, I was kind of interested in this if it closed above here, but really far above now. Really far. Tried to long when it was melting. Yeah. I'm guilty of that a lot of times too, man. For sure. Because it's one of those things, you know, that if you catch it, you know, you're going to make tons of money, but it's also where you lose the most money for sure. I think I'm going to take this, honestly. I think I'm going to take this. The only thing I don't like... Nah, I'm not going to take this. Just kidding. I ain't going to take it. I mean, I liked that it was closing above, but I really kind of wanted it to be bearish down here and still close above, and then I'd be in it on like a flip. Not really something I'm interested in at the moment. Let me see NQ. This might sound crazy, but I kind of want to take a sell right now on NQ. Little fake out above. Yeah, I like that.
Order filled.
If we lose, we lose. We lose, we lose. We understand the risk. We understand it could lose. It's all good. One NQ. Just kind of anticipating a pullback here. $15-minute kind of closed above. Anticipating a fake out. We only got one NQ at the moment. If it breaks that low, I'm just going to move the break even. Whatever happens, happens after that. If it does. If we get stopped out, it doesn't matter anyways. But yeah, if it breaks that low, I'm gonna go break even. The show. Alright, broke the low. Or break even. Just in case. See if we can get a push into this little zone down here. See if we can get the push. Yeah, if it breaks that low again, probably have a good shot at it. Will we get the break? Man, look at that. Just like up, down, up, down, up, down.
Order filled.
All right, break even, break even. We took a shot at it. Honestly, we could have closed with about $500, but it wasn't really what I was looking for. Looking for more down into this area down here. But I'm glad to go break even on something like that. It's worth the risk, but then, you know, if it starts moving into profit, better to be safe, especially when it closed above. W management. W management. Yeah, I just didn't like this one. I mean, it could still come back up, but I just really don't like the 1 hour. Don't like the 1 hour. We got about 8 minutes for a 30-minute closure, but I don't mind taking shots like that. I don't mind taking some shots like that. Don't mind it. We almost got it. One more little push and we would have had it. You took the gold buys? Nice, see ya. Yep, that's the one I marked out before that I was like, man, I really want to take like a, yeah, I think I had it down here at this zone. Like I really wanted it from there. Is that where you took it from? Then stops below like this. That's where I was looking for earlier, but I just didn't pull the trigger. Didn't pull the trigger. W. WW. See if we can get a push for CO over here, huh? Are you still in it? Got about 5-6 minutes here for a 4-hour closure. Close full. Let's go. See a W. Good job, bro. Come on, man. And Q's rolling. See where the next zone. Yeah, NQ's crazy. NQ's wild, man. Wild, wild, wild. All right, what do we got? Let me clear. Actually, let me bring that up there. Four hour. We got about 3.5 minutes for a 4-hour closure. 1 hour zone up there. Wrong 1 hour zone. This 1 hour candle, man. This is why the market's been so tough lately, man. Look at this 1 hour. Just sell straight celery, just celery stick. And then same thing, just the opposite direction. Crazy, man. Crazy. All right, we got a couple minutes. Well, I don't know about AU. NQ ripping now. Good thing we got out. Whoops, I mean to lock that. So what are we looking for here? I don't want to see what this closure's like. Yeah, so we've got like this zone there, maybe. Maybe. A little overextended. Slightly. What do we got? 290. Wait, is that 1100? No. No. Jeez. That's wild. Just a bit overextended. Just slightly. I'll be right back. All right. 9 o'clock. We got a closure. Oh, we missed our trade already. I had a different level on over here. That's okay. There's always more, man. There's always more. Close with no top wick too. That's money. Money, money. Goldie just kind of going. Just kind of going. Goldie just going, man. We're chilling, man. Man, my eyes hurt. NQ pushing a little bit past. I almost want to take the sell now. Not gonna lie. It's hard though when NQ's just rolling like that. But it's not bad there. I'm gonna take a sell there. If it runs, man. If it goes, it goes. Might leave without us. Maybe, maybe. Yeah, I have to wait. Going without us, man. Market's been trolling us lately. We've been winning some trades, but we've been missing a lot of the, well, not really missing, but haven't been able to take some of the opportunities because we're just not getting the closures that we want. Just not getting them. I don't mind taking a shot maybe on this either. Maybe. Come on, baby. Wait for a 15-minute closure. See what we got. I think I'm gonna have a limit sell up here. I'm gonna have a limit sell on gold up in that zone I was waiting for. So it's kind of a 1 hour like rejection zone. Might happen a little earlier though. We'll see. Yeah, 4 hour coming up. Not a crazy bottom wick. Win or lose, baby, win or lose.
Order filled.
Could get ugly. Little scalp. Maybe. We'll just do a 1-to-1. We'll do a 1-to-1. Actually, if it does want to reject here, I could see another 1 hour though. Like I could see this holding
Order
on.
filled.
So yeah, we'll just take it there. W. Nice little scalp. Dubski. What was that right about here? It was a 1. Yeah. About like that. Dubski, quick 761 times 3. We'll take it, man. We'll take it. Okay, so the reason we took this trade here is we got a new 4-hour candle coming up to make a top wick, right? We got a 1 hour rejection zone. You got resistance here. You got support here. You got resistance here. So anticipating that this would run up, kind of tap into this zone, set our limit sells, and we kind of cut out a little early maybe, but there was a 15 minutes, yeah, kind of down into this zone here. So didn't want to get too greedy. And that's the trade. W. That's the trade, man. Could have been one maybe we held on to just for a 4-hour like flip down here. But I could see it hanging around here and then a new 1 hour coming. You know, like 45 minutes still is hanging around here. Maybe it does the same thing, but we'll take what we can get. Took something like this in Asian and lost. Yeah, bro. Yep. So what I've been noticing too, Sia, like when I do take these limit sells or limit buys, I've been going to the zone above the zone that I normally think. So like technically you had a rejection zone here as well. Like if you look to the left, you got wicks, 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 all right here, you know, like on a 1 hour. So you could have taken this, but what I've been noticing is like going to the higher rejection like zones like that where you got rejection, support, rejection on like bigger, like much bigger volume. So waiting to go to like these areas instead of areas like this has helped me for sure. Because I've done the same thing. I take trades and trades like this and they lose, and they can for sure. But I like these trades. These are some of my favorite trades. It's just a much higher zone, much better zone up here. So, win or lose, win or lose. Nobody knows, man. Nope. Nobody knows. I wish I did. You know why I waited for this zone is because I've taken so many of these ones, and I actually thought about taking this trade of like setting a limit sell here, but I've lost so many recently that now I'm waiting for like the higher zone, and that's why we get out too, like because it can run all the way back up. Like it still might go in the direction, but yeah, nobody knows, man. So you just got to take your wins and get out. Take the wins. So when I do it, I typically like try to make sure I got a good zone here, like where I like it, where I feel comfortable with it. And this was one I felt pretty comfortable with. So I put it kind of in the middle is typically where I like to put it. Like I'll set it for like the middle of this zone. Or like right there, for instance, where we kind of put it. So I like to be Yeah, just kind of right in the middle. And I was okay with the risk up here. You know, it wasn't anything crazy. It was like $700. So 700 to make 700. But that's how I made all my money last year in October, was zones like this. Except back then I was risking a lot more. I would catch these like, I mean, where you really want it is like up here. So like you got a 4-hour zone tapping in. And something like this, a lot of times, like on a 4-hour rejection zone, I'll set it for like the bottom. It tends to like wick off the bottom down here and go and reject like at first. It may still go back up, but like initially I've seen it reject like kind of where the candles meet a little bit. These are a little bit different just because they're off, but something like this, like I'd set it for like down here. But you never know, man. It's all about managing the risk and what you're comfortable with. Like, it's okay to take shots at some of this stuff. It's okay to take these shots as long as you're okay with the risk. If you're not okay with the risk, then don't take the shots. But that's a lot of trading, is just being able to manage the capital and being like, okay, I took my shot today and I was willing to take it, but now I'm done. Oh, we got to update. We got to update. So what did we get on the 15-minute here? See, like a part of me on this one wants to take a shot on this as well. But I think I like that zone better. Nah, no Asian for me. I've been losing a lot in Asian, besides like that trade I took yesterday, but I've been losing them. Like a part of me kind of wants to take this trade as well, but it's just so hard to go against this. I already locked myself out on my Express on the XFA. So I still have like 10 hours, 10 and a half hours. I locked myself out like a little longer so I wouldn't trade. Do you trade a lot of Asian? See ya. Yes, sir, Ohio. We just took a trade, and it's probably a good thing we got out. Yep. Exactly. So the reason I get out so fast is because of this. So you want that initial rejection. That's what I talk about. The initial rejection is like you got to get it on the first one. like the first time it comes into the zone, you better be ready, because you're gonna get a little bit of that rejection most times, but then this could happen. So that's why we get out and don't get greedy. The 5 minute came down to like here. I got fear of rejection. Asian but no London. Nice. What's your best session, Sia? New York or Asian? Goldie's ripping. Oh, so this might come into my little range here. See, like, part of me wants to take a stab at this as well. But I kind of want to wait. Kind of want to wait, kind of want to don't. You know what I mean? Okay, we got a lot of support and resistance there. We got a lot. Four-hour closed, no top wick. That is kind of crazy. Not bad. Not bad, but I think at this point we just wait for a 30-minute. I mean, because we want to see if this is going to run past it anyways. Gotta wait. Something like that, maybe. Maybe. Got about 5 minutes. Don't have to do anything crazy. End of the month. We already got our bag for the day. What do we got? Like 2,100? 2,100 today? Something like that. Not necessarily. It's just a zone I'm looking at. Just a zone I'm looking at with it coming up into these 4-hour wicks. Wicks here. 4-hour wicks here to ramp off of, to reject down from. So it's just kind of an area of interest for me, I guess you would say. Plus, this is a 1-hour rejection zone. Kind of skyrocketing off of that and rejecting off of it right here. So I'm just interested in looking at it. Checking it out. I closed early. GC wins the moon. Yeah, that's all right. But did you make a bag off of it? You did. That's all that matters, man. You got your green day. You got it, man. But I know what you mean, man. I got out here. I got in down here. This was my trade yesterday. Oops, wrong way. That was my trade. I got out there. So I'd still be in this thing for sure. But what am I going to do? Sit in it all day, all night? Got stuff to do. But yeah, that would be a banger. Would be interesting though sometimes. Every time I've tried a trade like that though, where I hang on to it, I'm always wrong. It always goes back to my stop loss. So I got to learn that a little bit better if I'm going to do that. But it is interesting, that whole set and forget type thing. The longer trades. They can make a lot of money that way. That's for sure. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm kind of interested in selling on NQ, even though it's skyrocketing. Unless it goes too far. It's still at my zone. Still at the zone. Yeah. Or central. Do I like the zone though? That is a question. It's not bad. A lot of play here. But see how far it runs past. No top wick. This could also close no top wick. Got about 20 seconds. Have to see if I want to take a stab at it, you know? If it runs up first, maybe? If it goes up and breaks this... I might be interested in this. From there.
Order filled.
Just a stab at it. Again, could win, could lose. Only willing to risk what you're willing to risk as well. So. We're on the combines. We'll risk some of the profits. All we can do is wait, man. The ticket in the middle? The ticker in the middle. Yeah, I don't even like it on. I normally don't have the ticker on. Or are you talking about the NQU 26? Is that what you're talking about? Or what? I only have that on for like videos, so people know what I'm trading, honestly. Otherwise, I don't trade with that. I normally don't have it on. I do not. Because I don't like it. Don't like it. The box. Oh, yeah. Try actually trading and having that thing go. That's why you have to be okay with it. You just have to be okay with the outcome, man. There's a chance I could win. There's a chance I could lose. Yep, trades fluctuate, and either win or lose, man. That's it. At the end of the day, you got to accept it, and if you risk the proper amount, which, you know, I'm okay with taking a small win today on this combine. It's fine. It's fine with me. It's all good. But I'm willing to take shots like this. Risk a little bit of my profit. This is a zone I've been looking at anyways, so. But like I said, this could run up, could run down. Kind of struggling. Struggling both directions. I'm kind of surprised there was this big a move today too, with like nothing going on. Unless I missed something. It's happening. I mean, it's definitely not my favorite that it's kind of struggling right here. But that's what happens when you try to sell NQ when it's on a run. But this was the area I liked, so I'm executing on my trade. I got the proper risk that I'm willing to lose. And I'm not going for the moon on this one. But if we can get this to break, might go down. Possible. Struggling a little bit though. All right. Can it break the lows? What's my biggest day? My biggest day was probably like 50 or 60 grand. on my XFAs. I got like, I don't know, it was like 12,000 on each account or something. 15,000, something like that. I don't know if I have a screenshot of it somewhere. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, that would have been a fun day. Hopefully we can get some days like that. I would love that. I don't like how much this is struggling though. If it breaks the bottom again, I'm gonna go break even. All right, I think it broke a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go risk free, just in case this decides it wants to mess us up. So the green box on the right will be an addition, subtraction to the one on the left, right? Yes, correct. So the R P&L where that says 760 on the left is the realized profit and loss, like what I've already won or lost. The U P&L on the right is the unrealized. So they're unrealized because the trade's still open. So realized profits are the ones you've already taken or lost. Just kind of struggling. Yeah, this might actually be. This is a good zone. Fine. It's fine. We are getting kind of close to 945 though. Getting kind of close. I don't really like being in it when a new candle opens, but I just want to see one more push. We can get one more push. One more little push down, huh? How about that? You watch the... I just watched the candle. I'm just looking at the candle. Sometimes I don't even watch it. Is it gonna stop us out? Like it always does. Or is it gonna be good? Just be good. Be good for the people on the stream, okay? Huh? Can we get another Dubski on the stream? How about that? Let's continue the push, huh? For all the folks watching. Goldie, don't play with me. Don't play with my emotions. Do it. Just do it. Do it one time for the one time. Oh, it wants to. It wants to so bad. Can we get a push for the people? A push for the people. If not, that's okay, because we're getting a little too close to a new candle opening. So I'm going to wait about maybe 20 seconds. I might just manually close it. Don't make me do it, Goldie. Okay? Don't make me do it. You savage. You savage. We are going to move this into profit, though, a little bit more. Just in case. Secure 500 there. We'll secure it. Goldie. Goldie, do it for the people, man. Can we get it a push for the people? Yo, somebody needs to yell at gold. Oh, this isn't gold. Never mind. It's Nasdaq. My bad. No wonder. Calling it the wrong name. I was calling it the wrong name. My bad, Nasdaq. My bad. My bad. I just am used to yelling at gold. Honestly. Can we get a... Dude, it literally hit my profit target. It like hit it. That's criminal. That's actually criminal. And then it rejected off of it. Brother.
Order filled.
That's criminal. All right, that's a dubski though. That hit my profit target. Legitimately. That's great. It didn't execute. All right, that's all right. 1,200 times 3. It's as good as it gets. Dude, it's because I called Nasdaq gold, man. It got angry. It got mad at me. It legit hit the TP. My TP was at whatever this is. Criminal. All right, W trade. We anticipated that rejection and we waited for it and it happened. And we got it. Correlation from the no top wick. Watch now, it's going to go. Now it's going to go. I live in the U.S., see ya. I live in Nebraska. Let me update it. All right, 2 wins and a break even today. Not bad. We'll take it, man. Look at that. It stopped us out with that 5-minute random candle. And now it's going to go. Yep, there it goes. Boom. TP. Boom, TP. Look at that. Right at our zone, man. Not bad. Not bad. This one didn't quite make it to that zone that I wanted up there, but it is tapping back into here though. Maybe create some sort of support above here or even down. I mean, I could see it coming down to like even here, maybe creating a support. But that's it, man. Job done for us. I'm going to take off to copy trader. And I am going to lock out individually each account. Yeah. Custom. Just going to make it midnight. I don't trade any Asian. The Asian it just hasn't been as good for me. So might as well just lock out, man. Did it not work? I was gonna say. Oops. We're just gonna lock them out and call it, fellas. Take our wins. Don't do anything crazy today. It's the end of the month. End of the month. We'll lock in that green day, man. We live to trade another day. Good animation for what? For which part? Yeah, we're locked out, man. Look at this beautiful rejection. Look at that beautiful rejection on NQ off that zone, man. When we get a green day, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do it, man. All right, chat. That's it for me, man. I think we're going to call it. It's the end of the month. We're green for the day. No need to risk it. No need to risk it anymore. We took 3 trades today, though, which that's a lot for us normally on here. But we got 2 wins, 1 BE. I'm happy we just got the risk or took the risk. Good management on the 1. Need a button push for like lockout. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I do like that. All right, chat. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you all. Don't do anything crazy. You know what I mean? Last day. No need to do anything insane. Okay? All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Stay green. Peace.